Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports.
And today we have our 2014 Victory Crossroads 8-ball. This
Luxury V-twin touring cruiser just arrived with only 17,900 miles. It's got a 106 cubic inch V-twin, 6-speed transmission, engine guards, stereo system, braided lines, locking side cases. Really cool satin black finish. I love the styling on these Victories. It's got cruise control, fuel injection, floorboards. Come on by. Make your big bore V-twin dreams come true for just $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.